Hey everyone, time for another plan with me. Today I will be doing my print Pression B6 format for my Etsy shop. Actually, speaking of my Etsy shop, I will be using my Springtime PP Weeks kit for my week. I really like this kit because it's very pastel, and usually I don't do pastels, but we'll see how it goes. So let's start. So what I usually do is I start with my days of the week. I do this in all of my planners. I think it's because it's consistent and every week has Monday through Sunday or Sunday through Saturday, depending on how you do it. But I usually do Monday through Sunday. So this formatting for the PP weeks, it's supposed to be Monday through Saturday on top with Sunday underneath Saturday. However, you don't need to do it like that. The beauty of these types of planners is you can do whatever you need to do to make your life the most efficient that it can be. So for example, what I sometimes do is on the left page, I will do Monday through Friday, and I wouldn't go across, I would go down. And then on the right side, I would do Saturday and Sunday, and then just have a big open space for notes, weekly tasks, things that don't have a specific date that they need to be done. And so I have a lot more freedom that way. So again, however you find your planner working for you is awesome. Also, another great thing about these types of planners that every week is blank. If you try something new and realize it doesn't really work for you, you can try something completely different the next week. It's really fun to experiment and kind of play around and maybe even challenge yourself in trying something different and new. And again, every week is blank, so you can change it up. So what I'm doing here, so after I've put all my little numbers on the days of the week, I'm using these little tiny washi, and this is just plain green washi that matches the kit's theme. So I'm putting these underneath all of the dates, and you don't have to do that. Again, you can use these however you want. You can put them on top, you can put them below, you can put them in the middle, you can do whatever you want. For me, I just like to put it underneath because it's kind of an extra added decoration, but it's not taking up a lot of space. So the next one I'm going to do here is put down my deco boxes or decoration boxes. Sometimes I put them underneath the days of the week, sometimes I put them in the middle, sometimes at the bottom. It really just depends on my mood. And as you can see here, I had a hard time trying to figure out where exactly I wanted to do it this week. But I ended up putting them on the bottom. The kit does come with 7 deco boxes, but I only had room for 6 because I put them on the bottom of the page. If I put them underneath all of the dates or the days of the week, I would be able to use all 7 for all 7 days. But since Saturday is up at the top, from the sticker I just put down, I didn't want to take up too much valuable space, so I just kept it as is. Now I'm just putting down the other washi. All of my PP Weeks kits have 2 sets of designer washi. Designer washi, I don't know if I can call it designer washi, but designed washi. And each design has 7 strips. And that is because I wanted to make sure there were 7 strips for each 7 days. But I also wanted to make sure there was a variety. So even if you don't want to use both, you can just use one. Again, however you want to use it. But for me, I used it to kind of box in between the top and the bottom of the page. And I kind of like how it turned out with the different colors. So then next what I'm doing is I like to put down these 3-dot checklists for every day. With this being my Etsy shop planner, it's really important that I prioritize my tasks. I don't just run an Etsy shop. I'm also a full-time student, and I have a household to run. So I am a very busy person, and I need to make sure that my time, as valuable as it is used in the most effective way possible. So by having just 3 dots or 3, I guess, options to put tasks to do for each day, I really have to sit down and think about what I really need to accomplish that day. It's great for time management and prioritization and organization, so I really like that. I've been doing that for quite a while now. However, as you can see above the sticker I'm putting down right here, I have another section of priority. So those 3 items are going to be my top priority for the week. So even though I have a top priority for each day, I also have some for the week. So for example, this week, actually on February 12th through the 14th, I will be participating in a collaborative sale, the Planner Mayhem sale, and I need to make sure that I am on top of my game that week. It's going to be a super, super busy week. I'm super excited, but I just need to make sure that I am prepared as best as I can be. That little spot I just pointed out, by the way, that is what I was talking about earlier, about having an open space to write tasks and to-dos that don't have a specific date. However, if there is a day where I need to have more to-dos, I can just block out a portion of that spot underneath and then write in either big font or add another sticker later so I can visually see that that is an important thing that I need to pay attention to. So I can put that down below as well. And lastly, what I'm doing is just writing in the sale I just mentioned, the Planner Mayhem sale. It is a collaborative sale, so there are a bunch of shops participating with their own percentages off. My shop will have a 30% off the entire store. No coupon is needed, and it's for all the items I have in my store as of February 12th. I had to think about that. But I do have 2 releases every month, so I don't know how many will be up before this video airs or after, but however it goes, I know that I'm done with the spread. So here's a close-up. If you like videos like this, if you like PP Weeks kits and something similar to this, leave a comment below what you would like to see in the future, not just with videos, but with my shop. And I'll talk to you later. Have a good one.